Hi, I'm Jordan from Intelligo, and today I'm going to talk you through creating and using the feedback forms on the site. In the admin dashboard, we've got the option to create feedback forms. This is a really critical way of gathering information from your users during the event. So I'll click on feedback and create a feedback form. You can create forms that can be used across multiple sessions, or you can create a form that is used individually for each session. So for this event, what I'm going to do is start by creating a general feedback form that is used for every session. What I could do is I could link to an external form site if I had really granular specific information I needed to gather. So like a Google form or a form spring, I just paste the link in here once I've created the form on the external site, and that link will pop up when I choose it to during the event. However, for this one, it's more general feedback I'm after. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a question. How are you enjoying the event so far? What the feedback form will do is it will ask people to rate out of 5 the session that they've attended, and also you can choose whether to enforce that external link or not. I'm going to turn this off because I'm not using it. There we go. So I'll create this form now. You'll see it's appeared here called General Event Feedback. I can then preview what the form is going to look like to the people when it pops up. So this is what it looks like to my attendees. You'll see it's asked me to rate it out of 5, as we told it to, and it's also asked how you're enjoying the event so far, and it's got a text box for you to fill out. So what I'll do is I will rate it 4 out of 5 and put I loved it and submit that result. Because that was a preview, it won't actually submit the results, but when users do it from their side, the results will get brought into this area. So I can click on Show Results, and it will give me some insights about the form. So the average ratings out of 5, and the responses for the text question. I can also run off this report as a text file or a CSV file so that I can analyze it in more depth. What we can then do is we can link this feedback form to different sessions throughout the event, and it will pop up at the end of the session. That is the feedback forms.